Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make creamy pesto pasta, which is one of the easiest pasta recipe that you can make, and it's very tasty, healthy, fresh and full of flavor. And to make this delicious recipe, you don't need very much time. You can prepare it in 20 to 25 minutes hardly, and you can enjoy it as a evening snack or as a light dinner. And you can eat it hot or cold. I would say this recipe is definitely a must try. Please enjoy. These are the ingredients for making creamy pesto pasta. Here we are taking 2 cups of Rotini pasta, half a cup of chopped carrot, approx half a cup of broccoli, 3/4 cup of creamy Alfredo sauce, half a cup of basil pesto sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and olive oil for cooking. Let's start the preparation. For that we'll just boil the pasta first. So we have added water into the pan and turn on the heat. Now we'll add approx 1 tablespoon of salt into it, and we'll add the pasta. We'll boil it approx for 10 minutes, and we can check in between if it is done or not. It looks like it is done, so we'll just drain the water and transfer the pasta into the bowl. Now we'll take a pan and turn on the heat and add some olive oil into the pan. The oil is hot now, so we can add the carrots and broccoli into it. Mix it. We don't want to overcook the vegetables, so just saute it. Now we'll add the boiled pasta into it. And mix it gently. You can adjust the heat accordingly. Now we'll add the creamy Alfredo sauce into it. And we'll add the basil pesto sauce. And we'll just mix it. If you want more creamy pasta, then you can add more Alfredo sauce or maybe more pesto sauce based on your taste. Now we'll add the black pepper and Italian seasoning into it. properly. Now we'll add the salt. You can adjust the salt also accordingly. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt here. Just mix it gently. Turn off the heat. Our creamy pesto pasta is ready now, and it's very easy to make, and it's a good source of protein also, and it is delicious. So I would say you can just try this recipe, and thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.